Welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah. Today I'll be teaching you how to use a video app called Capcut to edit your videos. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's dive into it. Open your phone, click on Capcut. Once it's click on Capcut, open it, press new project to take to your gallery where you see any video of your choice. Click on it, bring it down to the app. Then you're going to start editing. First, you're going to do add text. Add text is going to add any message you want to pass across, either your name or the title of the video. And there's what we call auto capture. Auto capture is shown there. Is pass message across in words. It will generate your words or you said into text messages. So once you generate, you have to stay online. It's 100%. Once it's 100%, it automatically translate your message to the page. So the video, you see the words scripted there. And once you are done with that, you save it. Please, when saving the video, ensure you are on the page, because once you close the page, it won't save. Then once you are done, go to your gallery and check for the video because it's automatically saved there.